Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how I meal plan, how I meal prep, and just get groceries for the week. So if you like these types of videos, definitely hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So my meal process, meal planning journey, whatever you want to call it, starts on Wednesday. I like to quickly wipe down the fridge and just kind of go over what we have. So produce, if there's anything close to expiring, maybe yogurt's gonna expire in a few days, and I try to make sure we're using those up for the rest of the week. And I'll just see, do we have a lot of leftovers, do we have produce that's going bad, so maybe I need to switch up some meals, try something different. But that's what I will do on Wednesday. On Thursday, I will use my Happy Planner grocery planning list, and I will fill out this side. So this you can get at Michael's or their website, but it is accessory pack and it comes with chores, project, and budget. So it's not going to be in a Happy Planner itself. It's going to be in a separate little accessory pack, and it will fit your medium size Happy Planner. And so I put mine at the front, or you can buy the rings and make your own little booklet. You don't have to have a Happy Planner, or just buy these and hang them up on your fridge or something. You don't even have to put them in anything. That's just what works for me. So that is what I'll do. I'll go through my recipe books, Pinterest, or I will take this 4-week menu plan that I have made up, and I will go through this. This is another accessory pack from the Happy Planner, and it's not the same as that one, it's just a different one that comes with lined and grid paper. And so I will go on this and just kind of see what we haven't made in a while, what I'm feeling next week. Maybe we have something going on, so that changes things as well. I don't need to make as much, but I will use this, and typically we'll do a Mexican dish, we'll do some sort of pasta, we'll do breakfast for dinner, a home cooked meal, and then some leftovers in there as well. So that's kind of what I kind of use to help me plan for the week. Then on Friday, I use the other side of the meal planning sheet. So I will write down what groceries you need. I'll look at our meals and say, okay, so what goes in those meals that I need to buy at the grocery store, and then any other random things. So we always buy whole milk, cheese, spinach, bread, almond milk for ourselves. These are things we buy on a weekly basis, so I'll make sure I will write them down as well. And then throughout the week, I have a sticky note on the fridge, and I will write things down there. So we might need more dish soap, we might need cat food, we might need laundry detergent, something like that. And I will just write it down on the sticky note. Richard can do that as well. And I will take a picture with that with my phone, so I'm not bringing too many things to the grocery store, or I will add it onto the sheet. It just depends. If I forget, if I remember, kind of thing. So that's what I do on Friday. Saturday, I will usually go right in the morning, kind of just to get up and get it done. And Elizabeth will come with me, and usually I can get my sister to come with me. If not, then I'll just give her some snacks, and that kind of seems to keep her occupied in the grocery cart. Or if the weather's not good, if she's not feeling it, she don't want to go, whatever, I will go in the afternoon when she gets up from her nap. I will go by myself, and my husband will watch her while I get groceries done. Then for Sunday, this is kind of the day that we can relax a little bit. So I might have to go back to the grocery store. This kind of is our grace day. So if I forgot to write something on the grocery list that I forgot we needed, maybe I missed something on our list, that's happened before too. I use this day to kind of do a quick little stop back at the grocery store. I might go to our other grocery store too, or the city, because sometimes they have things that our small town doesn't have. And then if we have time, we might meal plan. We might try and get some things done food-wise to kind of help us with the week, and it's less things we have to do during the week. So that is everything. I should mention as well, something we do check is our menu plan at work. So she does go to daycare, and I work at the daycare, so I try to make sure, I have a copy at home, but I make sure I see if there's anything she can't have. She has an egg allergy, so if it's French toast on a day, then I will make sure I've got everything I need to make her own French toast, so that she can eat what the rest of the kids are having. A lot of times she can have what they're having. I have vegan mayonnaise at work that they can use for a lot of the meals that need mayonnaise, but for the most part, I don't need to really make her anything, but I still need to check and make sure that everything is good to go. And yes, that is everything for this video. I hope it was helpful. Anyway, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post there almost daily. It's Ashley Elizabeth on YT. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.